Stay tuned to see me put together this kitchen island with extra storage. I start by taking everything out of the box. I got this kit from Target, I do believe, and it was on sale for only $30. I read over the instruction manual as I went along, and kind of just eyeballed and counted the spaces so that I would make sure that the shelves were even. But I will say that this project can be done by itself, but it makes it a little bit easier if you do have somebody to help go ahead and load the shelves onto the 4 poles. So it includes these little spacers that will actually lock into the bottom of each shelf, and that is what keeps each shelf from sliding down. And here you see me readjusting the spacers so that that shelf was nice and level, and then adding my third shelf. And here I'm just going to add these 2 hanging wire baskets. I also got these from Target. They, I believe, were $12 each, I believe. But they actually are made to hang on the sides of these wire shelves and come in really handy in my opinion. I'm going to be using them to store some of the extra dish towels that we have because we have plenty. And then I also got this really pretty wire basket to hold some of the extra cutting boards that I have kind of had a shopping spree lately because I've been really into home decor, and every cutting board that I see, especially if it has marble, I have kind of apprehended for myself. But I'm just going to add this to my shelving unit, and here is the complete unit. A little bit later on, I will actually add a wood topper to completely give a more functional extra countertop. But for right now, this is how I finished it off. Just added some of our extra appliances to the shelves, which was another reason why I was really excited to purchase this and put it together. It was extremely easy. I think the entire project only took me maybe an hour, and that's including me going ahead and re-hanging the shelves to make them even. Let me know down below if you guys would use this shelving unit. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend, and turn on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment down below. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. Alright, love you guys. Bye.